What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're gonna look at the dopest light strip that you could put in any kind of room, any kind of setup. It's a dreamcolor LED strip. Stay tuned. Alright, so before I begin this video, I want to give a shout out to all my fans, everybody that supported me. And if you're brand new to my channel, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. So let's get into this LED strip and let's see everything that comes up in it. I bought these LED strips for 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to leave down below the link to, if you want to get it, you could get it. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. Alright, so we got two LED strips. We got the power supply in here, little connector, because these are 32 feet long. So we gotta connect it, splice it, connect it, and then we have the little molecule to set it up, make sure everything is well, so you could connect this on Wi-Fi. So we're gonna do all that dope stuff later on. And power supply. So let's move this out of the way. So I thought there was going to be a control, but I totally forgot about it. It's been a while that I bought this and I haven't got my hands into it. But this is going to be Wi-Fi. You could connect it. You could do all the crazy dope things. Let's open up one of these light strips to see how it looks. Y'all might have seen how other light strips is. It's just the only difference on these. Oh, there's a plug unplugged here. Gotta fix it. Oh, no, it's fine, I guess. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to set this up at and which room I'm going to set it up. It's going to be in my son's room all around the border. So let's go into his room and see how we're going to set this up. All right, so we're in my son's room. And where I'm planning to put his lights is all across that border line right there. All that across. So he could have a nice guest lighting. He wanted this in his room. So why not? Let's do it now that we got free time. So let me first clean it up, make sure that it could stick to the wood panel, and I'm also going to use glue, a glue gun. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to use this glue gun. I'm going to leave link down below so y'all could also want to get it, y'all could get it, and some glue sticks so it could stick better and he's better. So let's get into the cleaning part. Alright, so I cleaned all the borders around, making sure. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the strip to see where I'm going to put my power supply and everything. I know he has an outlet back there. He has one back here. And he has one right there. Most likely it's going to be back there, but we're just going to give it a try. Let's see how this comes out. They brought me ice cream. Chocolate chip, the best. I don't know, I didn't know I needed a break, but I surely will enjoy this. Good. So I did a little rough estimate to see how far it would go, and I think I'm going to need to put the power supply somewhere. Where's the outlet? It's back here, somewhere back there, the power supply, so it can meet up, because they both got to come together because of this little splitter right here. So that's what I'm basically going to do. I'm just going to line them up there so it could go around. So the two ends will meet somewhere around the curtains. So the power supply could just drop down right there and then finish it off going around the top border. So I'm going to ask for my son to help me out with this one. So let me just go get him real quick. All right, so I got my son helping me out, and I figured out how everything's going to go. We're going to put the control with the power supply behind the TV. It's gonna run up straight like this, and then it's gonna turn, just because I don't want to drill a hole in the back. I don't want to do none of that. So we basically gonna start off like that. And I also got my heat gun right here, so we could make sure that it sticks to the ceiling, or to the border. So let's get to it. right now I'm gonna show you how it looks. The LED strips all sticky to the border, and it's not that bad. That's the two strips get coming together, made a little knot, so it could be a little less. But the sticky part of it is pretty sticky. I ain't gonna front. It's pretty sticky. I know I'm gonna probably later on I'm gonna have to put some glue gun, but I felt like it wasn't needed right now because they sticking in there pretty good. Oh, my bad. Sticking there pretty good. And I'm gonna tell my son to plug, or I'm gonna tell my son to hold the camera real quick so I can plug it in. So I put the Bluetooth sensor so it could change the color whenever you feel like it, right behind the TV, because he has an outlet behind it. And you come this way so they can see it. It's that white part right there. So I'm gonna connect it to the power supply real quick. Let me just get into the other side. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see how the magic works. So you see how the room looks? Totally different. Way different. Now he has everything that he wants. And another thing that you have to download is an app. The app is called, let me look for it real quick. So you got to download this app called LED Hues. You hit it. It's going to tell you to select. If you haven't select, if you want to refresh, just bring it down and it's going to come up. So you hit the SP110E. Hit there. It's going to say it's connected. Hit enter. And then if he wants red, auto. It makes it change all the colors he wants. So let's hit auto. It's pretty dope, and he's gonna use it little by little, learning all the different. See all the colors changing. So it's running on auto right now. So if he wants to change it up, there you go. He could change it as fast. There's different presets in there, which I like a lot. So it's really up to him to see. You can see how it is. The app is pretty easy. So as soon as you change it, change something else. So he has to figure out this is like seizure color. So each dial, I figure out each dial has different settings that you could go to. I don't know if they have a list, but it's really dope. I mean, if you like this video, I hope this video made you decide to buy LED strips to pop up a room. If anywhere you want to put different colors, basement, living room, bedroom, LEDs are a very good option, especially this dream color you gotta look for. Not regular. If you look for LEDs and it doesn't have the dream color, it's just gonna be like, it's not gonna be able to rotate as it's doing it to this one right now. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm gonna leave donation links down below, and I'm gonna also leave link of everything that I used today. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.